You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this exclamation, this expression correctly in English. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary in English, by the way, stay tuned, onomatopoeia included. I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. It's pronounced as O. Yes, the H actually doesn't do anything. It's just a mark of an exclamation, but it actually doesn't do anything. It's not O. There's no H sound. Oh, the Americans would say it more as ow. Oh, really? Are you serious? Or it's like, oh my god. Oh is how to pronounce it. English pronunciation, oh. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.